In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to set a minimum word count for WordPress posts. If you run a blog with multiple authors, then you've probably wondered how you can set a minimum word count for your posts in WordPress. In this video, I'm going to share with you a code snippet that lets you set a minimum word count for your WordPress posts. If an author tries to publish a post that is too small, then it'll return an error telling them that the post is not long enough. In your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, click on Theme Functions under Theme Files. Go to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always restore the backup. Now paste this piece of code here. I'm going to put it in the description below. Here you can see the word count is 100. You can change it to whatever you want. And then this is the error message that will be displayed if the word count is not met. Then click on Update File. And that's it. Now let's see if it worked. I'm going to create a new post. And I'll enter some text here. And as you can see, this post is below 100 words. So now if I try to publish this post, I should get an error message. And yeah, there's the error message which states that the minimum word count is not met. This is how you can set a minimum word count for WordPress posts. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.